Hey vlog, it is Friday, a little after 6. We're on our way to a high school football game. It is our cousin's homecoming game. She is a cheerleader and today's her birthday. So we're going to watch the game and hang out with some family. We just stopped and got a little afternoon Starbucks. Yeah, we're hoping for a good Friday and a good weekend ahead. So I think this might be the start of a new video. So if it is, hi, hello, and welcome to a new vlog. And I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with us this weekend. We have a couple fun things planned. Got my husband, of course. Whoa, whoa. Zooming around. So hey friends, what's up? Good morning. It is Saturday, about to be 8:30. So we didn't really vlog too much last night at the game. We were just kind of hanging out with family. We'll be going to more high school football games throughout the season at different schools around our city, so I'll show you guys more of those. And now I'm getting ready to go to the hair salon. So I don't get my hair done very often. The last time I got my hair done, we were in Atlanta and I had darkened my hair like over a year ago, probably like a year and a half ago was the last time I've been to a hair salon. Actually, I'm going to be lightening my hair, so I'm going to go a little bit lighter for the fall. My husband is going to be home all day watching college football. It's officially football season in this house. College football is going to be on every Saturday. This is going to be what you see on Saturday mornings for the next couple months. College game day.
College game day.
My husband went and got us some breakfast. Thank you, babe. No made me a coffee. Just made it to the salon. So in the past, I would go to Paul Mitchell School, and then I started going to the Aveda Institute. So I went to the Aveda Institute in Phoenix. I also went to the Aveda Institute in Atlanta, and now I'm about to go to the one in Birmingham. So the Institute, like, I feel like a lot of people probably have mixed feelings about them, which I totally understand. I'm not someone that's really picky with my hair. They're students that do your hair, but they work under supervision of like licensed professionals, and that's why I'm comfortable with it, because they use like all Aveda product, like all Aveda level, you know, products and tools and everything. They're just students, so they're learning how to do hair, but they're practicing on real clients. But, you know, because it is under the supervision of licensed instructors and professionals, I'm completely comfortable because they do like talk with them and consult with them. A lot of times the teacher's present when they're consulting with me so that they can come up with the correct plan of action. And I've always had great results. So the pricing is like a fraction of the cost of if you were to go to a salon, which I understand. When you go to a salon, you pay for their experience, you pay for, you know, the whole salon experience itself, which is great. It's just not something that I choose to spend my money on. So we're here at the Institute. My appointment is at 9:30. I've got my coffee that I made from home. My husband actually made this. Thank you, babe. Of course, it's extra sweet. All right, let's go get our hair done. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so I just got out of my appointment. So the idea was to go lighter, do a balayage. My hair was super dark, so it didn't lift a whole lot. Like, parts of the hair lifted, parts of it didn't. So they had to do a little bit more of a darker toner just to kind of keep the hair even. And it's so funny too, these bangs are not supposed to be bangs. Like, because I lost a lot of hair earlier in the year, around here it's just started to grow back out. And so she's like, do you want me to cut your bangs? And I'm like, no. It's got some dimension. She put some layers in there. So yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it's a good first start. I know for my hair, how dark it is, it takes a long time to get to like a blonde, so we'll get there eventually. I did just want a little bit of a lighter change, so I'm happy with it. And this costed me, so it was a balayage, they did extra foils, they did like a conditioning treatment and a haircut. It was $160, which is still a lot, but like at a normal salon, the balayages like start at $200. So if I would have gone somewhere else, when it's all said and done, I probably would have spent well over $300. So let's see what my husband thinks. He's not going to be able to tell, I don't think, because kind of got to see it in person, you know?
Hey, sorry, dang. Looks good.
So it's just like caramel brown.
Yeah, I like that. All right, how you feel?
Pretty good. It was a good experience. Took a while. I did expect and want it to be lighter, but I know it's a process because my hair is so dark. Also, okay, sorry, I was talking to my husband. I like to do my makeup before I get my hair done. It's not like I get my hair done all the time, but when I do get my hair done, I do make it a point to have makeup on so that afterwards I can kind of see like the full effect. All right, well, I'm about to head home. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna get something to eat. It's 2:30. I've been in there since 9:30. Whew. That is the one thing about the institutes is they probably take longer than most salons, but you know, again, half the price. So, all right, so I'm gonna head home and I'll check in with you guys. Hi vlog, it's Sunday afternoon. We have just been pretty much, well, actually I worked today. I worked a little bit for a few hours. We've just been kind of hanging out. We're gonna make some mocktails. So if you guys have been watching our recent vlogs, you know that we are a fan of zero proof drinks and we've never really made any at home. So we're gonna show you how to make, it's like a lemon raspberry sparkling mocktail. We've never made this before, so we're doing it for the first time with you guys. Okay, we're gonna put in the glass and then we're gonna want to crunch these with something. I'm pretty sure they make tools that do this, but we don't have them. So we're improvising.
That was easy.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
Cheers. Happy Sunday.
Ooh. The raspberry is sour.
It is.
I could stand it to be a little sweeter. So I'd say, oh.
Wow, there goes a lemon. So yeah, it tastes good to me. Tastes like summer. A little lemonade would make it a little more sweeter, but I don't mind sour. So yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, added a little lemonade. Very refreshing. So we're gonna probably have like a new thing where we create different mocktails.
Try different kind, different flavors.
Yeah, because I want to do some with blueberries, watermelon.
It's a good idea.
Friends, the time has come. We're getting ready for the all-white party. The look I'm going for is like a bronzy. I think I want to do a red lip, so we're gonna do something to match that. So I'm gonna speed through this and let the transformation begin. OT for the all-white party. So we have this satin button up from H&M. This bandeau top is from Target. These white shorts are thrifted from Plato's. I'm wearing my Prada sneakers. This bag is thrifted from Nine West. Hair, makeup, me.
Jeez. What's good? What's good?
Okay, husband's turn.
Yankee fitted cap, Stussy shirt, H&M pants, and old Air Force Ones from like 2006. The Mexico flag.
There you go.
So yeah, that's me.
Good, babe. This is a shirt that he got in Nashville. Can't quite find the light in here. Here we go.
Yeah, that's good.
So we're about to head out, and it's like kind of still raining, so we're not really sure how it's gonna end up going, but
Yeah, I'm curious to see because it's pouring down over here, but on the other side of town, which is like 25 minutes away, hoping the rain holds off for the rest of the night. We don't do all white, but
no. But
we made it work.
Yeah, we kind of, you know, did our thing a little bit.
Yeah, just hoping nobody spills anything on us.
Clear drinks only. If you go to an all-white party, do not get cranberry. Do not.
Nah.
Don't even get pineapple.
Nope.
Like soda water,
No color.
Sprite.
Yeah.
Maybe lemonade, but
Yeah.
if you're careful. All right, so we will see you guys. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel down below. There will be more videos to come soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.